This is the K'NEX Rippin Rocket 2 coaster released in 2011. The kit contains 545 pieces and is for children 9 years and up. The kit contains a mixture of classic and micro K'NEX parts. The instruction manual for this roller coaster comes in the box. The instructions in PDF format for this version and the bonus web version are available for download at the K'NEX website, and I have included both links in the text box below. This is the red Micro K'NEX motorized launcher. It has two spinning rubber wheels that eject the coaster car at enough speed to reach the top of the coaster. However, the car must arrive at the launcher with some momentum in order for the coaster car to reach the top. Now, without any momentum, doesn't make it.